Homebrew is fantastic, but the command line doesn't show you everything at a glance. What's installed, what's outdated, what depends on what. Most GUIs fix that by hiding Homebrew completely. This one doesn't. This is Cocktails, a native macOS app that gives Homebrew a clear interface and shows you every command it runs. Let me walk you through it. The installed screen brings formulae and casts together, each with its icon, description, and versions. Filter instantly as you type, switch between formulae and casts, or show only the packages you explicitly installed, with roots. Select any package and the detail panel shows its homepage, the installed and latest versions, and one-click actions. Reinstall, pin, uninstall. Here's what makes Cocktails different. Every action runs the real brew command and streams its output live, line by line. Nothing is hidden behind a spinner. If you know Homebrew, you're never lost. If you're learning it, you see exactly what's happening. It's a convenience layer, not a black box. You rarely manage packages one at a time. Tick a few rows and an action bar appears. Upgrade or uninstall them all in one go. Destructive actions ask for confirmation first. And again, you watch the real commands run for each package. Ever wondered why a formula pulls in so much? Select it, and Cocktails shows its direct dependencies and the full transitive tree rendered inline. It's the Homebrew dependency tree, finally made readable. Search works across formulae and casks. Find what you want, hit install, and, you guessed it, the real brew install command runs right in front of you. The updates screen lists everything that's outdated with the current and available versions. Update them individually or select several and update in a batch. A badge in the sidebar tells you when updates are waiting. Beyond packages, manage background services, review your taps with a clear indicator of which are trusted, and keep things tidy from the maintenance screen. Cleanup, auto remove, and doctor, each a click away. Cocktails runs quietly in the menu bar with no dock icon. It checks for updates in the background and notifies you natively when they land, and it speaks four languages: English, French, Spanish, and German, switchable on the fly. Cocktails is free, the source is open, and it installs with Homebrew itself. Links are in the description: the website, the GitHub repo, and the tap. If you give it a try, I'd love your feedback, and a star on GitHub really helps. Thanks for watching.